Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am today's information is a business level strategies in the field of management. The strategies of management involve of the function and the major goals initiative taken by an organization's manager. The behalf of these stakeholders based on the consideration of resources and assessment of the internal and external environment in which the organization operates. The strategy management provides overall direction to an enterprise and involves the specifying the organization objectives, developing the policies and the plan to achieve for this business level. The business level are the most important for the marketing, management, knowledge and the communication are the best. Then the four pillars of the strategy in the business level. The corporate strategy involves the answering a key question from the portfolio. The perspective what business should be in the business strategy. They involve answering the question are the how shall we complete in the business. The management theory and the practices often the make and the destination between the strategy management are the mostly operational management with operational management concern the primarily with improving efficiency and the controlling cost within the boundaries the set by the organization strategy are the most important. The creating a unique and valuable market position, the making trade-offs by choosing the what not to do, the creating fit by aligning. The company or a business, the activity are the made by the one or other to support to the chosen strategies. The strategies are defined as the determination the basic long-term goals of an enterprise and the adoption of a courses of action and the allocation of a resource necessary for carrying out these goals. The strategies are established to set direction, focus effort, define or clarify the organization. Thanks.